everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. In this video I am going to talk about find the pH of acids and bases. In before my previous class I am going to talk about what is the pH of solution in acids, bases and neutral. Now my name is Uma Shankar. I am going to talk about find the pH of acids and bases. Friends, you know that how to find the pH of the acids and bases. Now start this section, see this board. Friends, first example is the 10 to the power of minus 2 molar HCl. The concentration of HCl is 10 to the power of minus 2. Find the pH of this problem. Friends, first of all, you know that HCl is a strong acid. It's dissociated to the H plus and Cl minus ions. Now, initially HCl is 10 to the power of minus 2 molar and 0. Now T is equal to X time. What happened there? This is 0 and this is 10 to the power of minus 2 and 10 to the power of minus 2. Because of this is the strong acids is 100% is dissociation. Friends, 100% is dissociated in HCl, H plus and Cl minus. Now the H plus ion concentration is 10 to the power of minus 2 molar. And this is 10 to the power of minus 2 molar. This is clear, friends. Now what is the pH of this solution? Friends, concentration of H plus ion concentration is 10 to the power of minus 2 molar. Now pH, friends, pH is equal to minus log base 10 concentration of H plus ions. Now pH is equal to minus log base 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay, friends. Now pH is equal to, this is the minus log base 10 to the power of minus 2. You know that one more important formula, log base 10 x power of a is a into log base 10 x, and as well as that formula is present in there in this, that formula is used for them this problem. What happened there? Minus into minus 2 is plus 2. Okay, friends, minus into minus 2 is plus 2 and log base 10 value is 1. Now pH of this problem is 2. pH of this problem is 2. This is the monobasic acid. Now one more example in monobasic acid. Now one more important example in monobasic acid, that is called as 2.3 10 to the power of minus 3 molar. Concentration of HNO3 is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 molar. Find the pH of this solution, this problem. Friends, this is the monobasic acid. Because of this is the H plus ions, one H plus ions is present in there. Now HNO3 is a strong acid. Friends, this is the dissociated into the H plus and NO3. Friends, this is the monobasic acid. Concentration of HNO3 is dissociated into the H plus and NO3 minus. Friends, this is the concentration of HNO3 is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 molar. At time what happened there? This is 100% is dissociated. Friends, this is 100% is dissociated. H plus ion concentration is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 molar. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 molar. Now concentration of H plus ions in this problem is, H plus ion concentration is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 molar. Now pH of this problem is minus log base 10 concentration of H plus ions. Now pH is equal to minus log base 10 concentration of H plus ions is log 10 into 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 is present in there. Friends, pH is equal to minus log base 10 A into B is also called as, minus is common, log 10 into 2 plus, what happened there, friends? Log A into B is called as log A plus B, log 10 into 2 plus log 10 into 10 to the power of 3 minus 3. Now what happened there, friends? pH is equal to log 2 values, friends, log 2 value is 0.30. This is the very important, friends. Log 2 value is 0.30. Now minus into log 2 value is 0.30 plus Friends, log base 10 10 to the power of minus 3 is called as minus 3 into log base 10 10 value is 1. Now pH is equal to what happened there, friends? Friends, this problem pH is equal to, this is the minus into minus plus 3, therefore this is 3 minus, this is value is minus 0.30. Now this problem pH value is 2.7. 2.7 is the pH value of this problem. Now this is the monobasic acids. Now I am going to talk about another problem is the dibasic acid, how to calculate the pH values. This is clear, friends? This is arise. One more important example in dibasic acid, 10 to the power of minus 4 molar H2SO4. This is the dibasic acid. Because of this is the 2H plus ions is present in there. Friends, H2SO4 is dissociated into 2H plus SO4 2 minus. This concentration is 10 to the power of minus 4 molar. Friends, this is the 10 to the power of 4 molar is concentration. This is 100% is dissociated. This is the X moles is present in there, dissociated to form the X moles is dissociated. But because of the strong acids, this is I am going to talk about strong acid. Therefore, this is 10 to the power of minus 4 moles is present in there. Now 2 H plus ions are present in there. It means 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 is the value of the concentration of H plus ions. Friends, concentration of H plus ions is dibasic acid is this example is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Now what is the pH of this value is minus log base 10, concentration of H plus ions is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4. This is clear, friends? Now pH is equal to minus into log base 10, this is 2 plus log base 10 and to the power of minus 4. Now pH, friends, pH is equal to minus log base 2 value is 0.30 plus minus into plus minus, and this is the log 10 power of log base 10 10 power of minus 4 is 4. Now minus into minus is plus. Now plus 4. Friends, pH is equal to minus 0.30 plus 4 is 3.7. 3.7 is the pH value of this problem. This is the dibasic acid problem is like this. Now I am going to talk about these are the strong acids. Now I am going to talk about weak acids. How to calculate the pH values of the weak acids. This is clear, friends? This is arise. Friends, the question is the weak acid like HA. This is the weak acid HA. This is concentration is 8 molar. Now Ka value is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 8 molar. This is the problem, friends. Now I am going to talk about how to find out the pH values of the weak acid. This is the concentration of weak acid is 8 molars and Ka is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 8 molar. Friends, you know that in weak acids is dissociated to the H plus A minus. This is cannot 100% is dissociated because of this is the weak acid. This symbol is present in there. This is called as equilibrium symbol. Friends, this is the weak acids. Ha is equal to H plus and A minus ions is present in there. How to calculate the pH values of the weak acid? Friends, initially this concentration is 8 molar. This is 0. At equilibrium, friends, at equilibrium what happened there? This is the 8 molar is 8 is the concentration is present in there. Now in degree of dissociation of this weak electrolyte, this weak acids is the 8 minus 8 alpha. Because of the what is the degree of dissociation? Friends, the degree of dissociation is the number of moles is dissociated for mole of reactants. Now one mole is present in there, alpha moles is dissociated, but in this case 8 mole is present in there. This is called as 8 alpha is dissociated. Now 8 minus 8 alpha, this is called as 8 alpha. 8 alpha. Okay friends, this is the very important step. Now how to calculate the pH? Friends, Ka is equal to concentration of H plus ions and A minus ions by concentration of Ha. Now Ka is equal to concentration of H plus ions is 8 alpha into 8 alpha by H plus is the 8 minus 8 alpha. Now Ka is equal to 8 alpha. Now what happened there friends? Common to the 8 is common, 1 minus alpha, 1 8 is cancelled. 8 alpha square by 1 minus alpha is present in Ka. Ka value is 8 alpha square by 1 minus alpha is present in there. Friends, you know that in weak electrolyte, in according to Ostwald dilution law, what happened then? Weak electrolyte degree of dissociation is very small. Now 1 minus alpha is nearly equal to the 1. Now alpha value is nearly equal to the 1. This is the degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte in according to Ostwald dilution law. Now what happened there? Ka value is 8 alpha square. Now alpha is equal to what happened friends? Alpha is equal to root over Ka by 8 is present in there. Now all Ka value is friends, Ka value is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 8 molar by 8. Now alpha is equal to what happened friends? 2 1s are 2 4s are. Now root over 1 by 4 into 10 to the power of minus 8. Now alpha is equal to 1 by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Alpha value is 1 by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 is present in there friends. Now we have to find out the H plus ion concentration friends. Now we have to find out the H plus ion concentration. H plus ion concentration is equal to the 8 alpha. Now H plus ion concentration is equal to 8 into alpha is equal to 1 by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Now what happened there friends? H plus ion concentration is 4 into 10 to the power of minus 4. 4 into 10 to the power of minus 4 is the concentration of H plus ions. Now we have to calculate the pH of H plus pH of this weak acids is the friends, pH is equal to minus log base 10 concentration of H plus ions. Now pH is equal to minus log base 10 concentration of H plus ion in this weak acid is the 4 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Okay friends, pH is equal to what happened there friends? Log base 10 4 plus log base 10 10 to the power of minus 4 is present in there. Now pH is equal to what happened there? Log base 10 friends, log base 10 2 square. Okay friends, 2 square is 4 plus this is what happened there? Log base 10 10 power of minus 4 is called as minus 4. Okay friends, now pH is equal to minus log, this value is log base 10 2 square is called as 2 into log base 2 value is log base 2 value is 0.30. Now what happened there? This is 0.3 minus 4. Now what happened friends? pH is equal to minus 2 into 0.3 is 0.6 and minus into minus is plus 4. Now pH is equal to what is values friends? pH is equal to 3.4. 3.4 is the pH of this weak acid. Concentration of HA is weak acid is 8 molar. Ka is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 8 molar. This is the problem of the find the pH value of the weak acid. This is clear friends. Now I am going to talk about the find out the pH of strong bases. This is clear friends. Friends, I am talking about the find the pH of 0.1 molar OH. This is the strong base. How to find out the pH of the strong bases? Friends, this is the very important, friends. Now NaOH is strong base. This is dissociated into the Na plus and OH minus. Now 0.1 molar, it means 10 to the power of minus 1. 10 to the power of minus 1 moles is present in initial. At time what happened? This is 100% is dissociated. This is the 10 to the power of 1 molar and this is 10 to the power of 1 molar. Now you have to calculate the POH. Friends, POH is called as minus log base 10 concentration of OH minus ion. This is called as POH minus log base 10. OH minus ion concentration is 10 to the power of minus 1. Now the value is the 1. POH value is 1. Now how to calculate the pH values of this problem? Now friends, one more important formula is present in there. The formula is the pH plus POH is equal to the 14. Friends, this is very important, friends. Concentration of minus log base 10 concentration of H plus ions plus minus base log base 10 concentration of OH minus ion is equal to the 14. Now this formula is used. Now pH value is 13. pH value is 13. This now what is the reason for the pH plus POH is equal to the 14? I am going to explain that reason. Friends, you know that in according to ionic product of water, Kw is equal to what happen, friends? Concentration of H plus ions into concentration of OH minus ions. Now this product is multiplied to the minus log base 10. Minus log base 10, what happened there? This is Kw is equal to minus log base 10. This is concentration of H plus ions minus log base 10 concentration of OH minus ions. This is clear, friends. Now minus log base 10 Kw. Now at, friends, this is the at 225 degrees Kelvin, pH plus POH is equal to 14. This is very important, friends. In any solution at room temperature or 298 Kelvin, this value is present in there. pH plus POH is 14. Now at room temperature, Kw value is log base 10 power of minus to the power of minus 14 at room temperature. Now what happened there? Minus log base 10 H plus ions is called as minus log base 10 H plus ions is called as pH plus minus log base 10 OH minus ion constant is POH. Now this is the minus log base 10 to the power of minus 14 is called as 14. 14 is equal to pH plus POH. This is the reason, friends. This is the reason because in according to ionic product of water, now this is called as Kw is equal to pH plus POH. This is the one of the important problem. If we have any problem is present in strong bases, now calculate the, use it for that formula is the pH plus POH is equal to 14. This is the concept of the find the pH of strong acids and strong base and weak acids. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.